Hey, what's up guys, my name is Prabhakaran from Lab. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert your any Android phone into an iPhone X. This build doesn't need any root access. You have to just simply download some apps. The apps link will be in the description. You can directly download it from there. So this app will let you to convert your Android phone into an iPhone X. So I already converted my phone into an iPhone X. In this video I will just show you the steps that you should take if you want to change your Android phone into an iPhone X. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, my phone has been totally changed into an iPhone X. So now let's discuss what are the apps that you will require to get this look at your phone. So the first app, I'm using a Nova Launcher 5.2 version, and for icon pack I'm using 11 UI, which is not available in Play Store I think, because I just downloaded it from Google. So don't worry, I will provide a link in the description down below. You can directly download it from there. And for the notch and status bar, I'm using Inoty X, which is available in Play Store. You can directly download it from there. It is for free. Don't worry, if you want to give me the link, I will provide a link in the description down below. You can directly download it from there. Now let's start further and see the steps that you should take to customize the launcher. So the first step you should take to apply a dark background. So as you can see, the iPhone X as a background at the dock. So how to get this? Just long press your home screen, just go to settings, and after that go to dock, and there you will find at the top dock background. Just hit that, and there you will find bunch of shapes like platform, rectangle, rounded, arc. So select rounded. If you have been noticed, the iPhone X, it has a rounded dock background, so I will select the same, and then select the transparency, how much transparency you want. Like I want 40%, I will keep it at 60. It's a normal. If you can swipe left and right to increase and decrease the transparency. So if you swipe right, it will decrease the transparency, as you can see. So keep it at 60 and leave it. After that, go to desktop and change the desktop guide, how much it want. So horizontally select 5 and vertically select 4. It is a iPhone X grid size, desktop grid size. Then go to icon layout and keep the icon size at 110%, and enable the label. Otherwise, if you disable it, the label will be not there of the particular app. So enable it, and then select the font size, how much you want. I just keep it at normal size, means at the 0. It is good. If you increase the size, then it just don't look good. So I just keep it at 0%. Now next, go to look and feel option, and then select the icon pack that you have downloaded, 11 UI. Just select that, and it will apply the icons for your home screen. So after selecting the icon pack 11 UI, it will apply the icon theme to all of the icons that are present on the home screen. So I don't know if you are aware about it, that any icon pack doesn't apply the icon theme to all of the icons that are present. You personally have to select the non-themeable icon to change the icon theme. So if you don't know how to change an icon theme, just long press the non-changeable icon theme, and there you will find an icon options. Just tap it, and there you will find edit. Just click it and tap on the icon, and there will be the icon pack flashing all the icon pack that you have installed. So now we are using a icon pack 11 UI. Just select that, and here you will find the icons png files. So select that particular icons that you're looking for. So this was a little tip, uh, and I just want to give you another small tip. Just go to Google and search for iPhone screenshot or iPhone X screenshot, any one of them, and look at that picture for a while. Just look at that app order of that screenshot and just apply the same app order in your Android device too. So as you can see, my top two sections will be the same if you compare it with the iPhone X screenshot. I personally think that it will help you to get the iPhone look. So now let's discuss about the notch and the status bar. I know you will be disappointed with the status bar because it is not merging with the wallpaper. So there is a trick that will fix this issue. I will discuss about it later. So now let's discuss about the notch. So the notch is perfect. You can see. You can, if you noticeable. I don't know if you are noticeable. There's a camera like stuff, like a dot, small dot. Guys, it's not a camera. It's just for a look. It doesn't have a camera over there, so it's just a look. So if you swipe from bottom right corner, it will give you the control center, and there you will find bunch of app shortcuts like camera, calculator, stopwatch and torch. And at the left hand side corner you will get the notification toggle like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, aeroplane mode, all that stuff. And also it has a brightness controller here. If you swipe up and down, it will increase and decrease the brightness, and you can also increase the volume here too if you swipe up and down. And there also a music player at the top right corner. So this was the control center, and if you swipe from left hand side of the corner, it will bring you the notification center. As you can see, it is showing now the calendar notification. If you swipe right, it will give you the all the notification that you received recently, like your Facebook notification, your WhatsApp, all that social media notifications. All the notification it will flash here. So if you want to clear it, you can directly click on that X button that is flashing right side corner. So now let's discuss about how to fix those status bar issue. It's not merging with the wallpaper. So to fix that issue, you have to change the wallpaper according to it. So go to Google and search for any wallpaper which has a white color at the top. So I will show you an example. So I have a wallpaper which has a white color at the top. So as you can see here, so as you can see, it is perfectly matching with my status bar. So in this way you can just do little trick which will help you to fix those issues. Now you can see, now it is perfect. If you have any confusion till now, don't worry, I will provide a Nova backup file in the description. You have to just download it and import into the Nova launcher. If you don't know how to import a Nova backup file, just long press at the home screen, go to settings and scroll down, and you will find there an option called backup and import settings. Just tap on it and go to restore and manage backup. Just hit that, and there you will find, you have to browse actually to find that file. So you're gonna download, right? So it will be in the download folder. So just click on browse and go to your download folder, and there you will find a Nova backup file. Just hit that and directly it will pop up here. After pop-ups here, you have to just select it and it will change your home screen directly. You have to not do anything, you have to just click on that backup file and it will directly change your icons, your dock, all that stuff. So this is it, guys. So I hope you get idea of how to get your iPhone X look at your any Android phones. So guys, that's it for the video. If you have any queries related to this video, let me know in the comment section down below. I will try to reply them as soon as possible. So thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you like it, if you hated it, put it down. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon too, so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. Till next time, this is Prabhakar from Trick of Life signing off. Guys, have a great day.